I want to focus on Pakistan. First, they banned the bat symbol of the PTI. Then they banned the batsman, cricketer Imran Khan. Now they're looking to ban the batsman's party. The information minister and two other ministers have said that they want to ban the PTI. Those same ministers have said they're looking to cancel the ID cards and passports of overseas Pakistanis just because they criticize the government. So that's an attack on the First Amendment rights of American citizens, dual citizens, and green card holders. And we see in the latest development that the PTI office has been sealed and their National Information Secretary and many women have been arrested. We have an opportunity to demonstrate we're dedicated to democracy and human rights because the PTI is not as pro-American as other parties in Afghanistan. If we look at individual issues that you deal with, they are not as helpful. But they are the largest party in Pakistan. Their leader is in prison, may face death. The best thing you can do is ask Ambassador Bloom to go visit Imran Khan in prison, and I wonder if you'd consider that.
I will definitely discuss it with Ambassador Bloom.
Thank you. I'd like to now focus on Sindh to commend